Good morning. It's Saturday out here at the field. We got winds blowing around 10. They're mostly coming from like right in there. Nobody's here to fly in, of course. Saturday.
Normal mode.
And I'm flying the Grand Tundra after my little stall. So let's see how she goes. I'm not going to slow down in the turns like I was doing that time, man. Well, I guess I'm going slow, so. Alright, we're going to speed her up. This is the turn we lost her in. Alright, so she turns well that way. Lots of foam tack. I didn't reinforce it with any rods or anything, the fuse. I just foam tacked it. I've had good luck just doing that. My wife's not here to film. She had stuff to do, so. And my GoPro, my battery
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Exploded on me almost. My camera got so hot when I got home to get the camera out of the bag, it felt like I was going to burst into flames almost. Of course the wind's picking up. It always does when you put a plane in the air. So I'm just kind of keeping it up, kind of high, because I'm flying slow in these winds and I don't want any more repairs. Just flying around. Trim's good. I got lucky it didn't do anything to the motor mount. It's windy, 68 degrees.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Starting Monday, we're supposed to get a cold front come through. It's supposed to get in the 20s, which will suck, but it happens like maybe 2-3 times a winter, and it'll last a day maybe. This whole next week's going to be a little on the chill side, so I'm probably going to have to dig out an ice scraper somewhere in the garage. Just use my remote start. I don't know what landings are going to be like in these crosswinds, but let's see if we can get one. I'm going to watch this downwind turn now.
Time
Speed up.
5 minutes.
Kill some
Timer
speed.
stop. Landing flaps.
Hit some flaps. Clear that pole.
Timer start.
Clear that pole.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
That'll work.
Timer start. Timer stop.
Well, she sure wanted to wind vane into the wind.
Timer stop. Flaps up.
Put those flaps up.
Timer start.
Take off into the wind. And not bad landing. Not perfect, but we'll take it. Keeping that speed up. Not going to slow her down in the corners. This isn't Bigfoot. This is a big old heavy plane. It's funny, it's about the size of the Husky, but it weighs a lot more. I know it does. That's blowing probably 13?
Time remaining 4 minutes.
13 miles an hour. Again, I apologize for this camera, but it's what I got to work with today. Alright, let's come around.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Keep the rudder. I'll be interested to see the rudder, the amount of rudder I had to use there. Getting in there, man. The wind is howling, man. She's screaming. It's blowing, right, Tuco? Look at his tail blowing. Yeah, he's being a good boy.
Flaps up.
Let's see, I got enough. I guess we'll go around again.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Since I got that ISD discharger, it's like I don't feel like I gotta fly. You know, when I want to quit, I can quit. That thing is nice, man. If you don't have that, the ISD, I think it's ISDT 200 discharger, that's a game changer. Like a 6-cell battery, if you got a full battery, it might take maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes to, depending on how you set it. I got mine set, so it takes about 20 minutes on a 6-cell to completely bring it down to balance. And I could discharge it at a higher rate if I wanted to.
Landing flaps.
I'm putting those on just so I don't worry about stalling.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
The crosswinds is pretty good. Well, there you go.
Timer start. Timer stop.
I'll say the post
Timer stop.
repair flight went well. I've got some of the repair pictures. I didn't do a repair video.
Motor off.
I didn't do a repair video because, to be honest with you, there was a whole lot more beer planning than actual repairing. There it is. Lights are all working. Everything's pretty well. I did have to put a new prop. That's a prop for my Cessna 170 that I put on there. I had to ream it out just a little bit. Lights are working. Grand Tundra, it's a great plane. I like it, but if I was getting in the market for a Grand Tundra, I think I'd get the Arrows Husky. Or, while they're on sale, the HSD Cessna. There you go. We're out at Liberty Landing. We're dealing with crosswinds in the teens. Again. That's Tuco. This is Jeff. We're at Liberty Landing and we're having fun. Woo!